down. You should sit down and take it. Yeah, like that, you know. And how is it?
How many
What do you-
seconds?
Yeah,
I think
it
it's
doesn't
good.
matter. How? What do you think about our grill?
I love it.
Yeah,
I love our grill.
mashallah, Moya.
Mashallah.
Here in the nature, on the Starnberg Sea,
It's
the
the
best
best grill.
and the master of grill.
And you are the master of grill.
Yeah.
You have such nice ideas. Look our aubergine and how nicely they stay there. How long it should be? It's 1 and something.
Yeah, you can take.
Okay.
Be generous with it.
Okay.
You can take also from those mountains, you know.
I took.
Yeah.
It's looking so cute and adorable with those branches.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I noticed that you will like it more.
It's an original grill. Those we have potatoes. There we have aubergine.
Yeah, it's enough, I think.
Best grill. Let me take a last